Hello everyone, this is the video of MCQ's answer that I had already provided or shared in you in the group. So let's start the MCQs. Which one of the following type of resource is iron ore? That is option D, non-renewable. Under which of the following type resource can tidal energy be put? Replenishable, human-made, abiotic and non-renewable. The answer is option A, replenishable tidal energy we can put on the resources. Next is which of the following is the main cause of land degradation in Punjab? So what happened in Punjab? That is over irrigation. Next is in which one of the following state is terrace cultivation practiced? So the terrace cultivation practiced in Uttaranchal. Next is in which of the following state is black soil foundation found? That is option B, Gujarat. Next question is what percentage of our land should be under forest according to the National Forest Policy in 1952? That we had already discussed in the chapter, that is 33%. Next question is materials in the environment which have the potential to satisfy human needs but human beings do not have appropriate technology to access them are called, what we call, that is stock. Eighth one, India's territorial water extent up to a distance of 12 nautical miles. There is no ninth question. See, the next question is resources that take long geological time for their formation are called non-renewable resources. Next is areas snow more than once in an agriculture year plus net snow area is known as option D, gross cropped area. 11th question is the total degraded land in our country is 130 million hectares. Next question, in which of the following state mining has caused severe land degradation? That is Jharkhand. The main cause of land degradation in Punjab, Haryana and western Uttar Pradesh is over irrigation. Okay. Next question is the main cause of land degradation of Haryana. Okay, that is over irrigation. 14th question, which of the most common soil of northern India? That is option C, alluvial soil. Red soil is mostly found in eastern and southern part of Deccan Plateau. Red soil is reddish in color due to diffusion of iron in ingenious and the metamorphic rocks. Which of the following is not important for the soil formation? That is option D, duration of day. Next question is black soil is also called regur. Black soil are common in Deccan Trap region. Next question is literate soil is very useful for growing tea, coffee and cashew nut. Black soil is deficient in, where is the deficient of black soil is phosphoric contents. Which of the following soil has self aeration capacity? That is black soil. Plugging along the contour line to declarate the flow of water down the slope is called contour plugging. Which of the following is not a measure for soil conservation? Which of the following is not a measure of soil conservation? That is overdrawing the groundwater. And the last question is, land that is left uncultivated for more than 5 agriculture years is called culturable waste land. I hope all the questions has been clear to you.